Hello everyone, my name is Pawan and I'm starting the new backend development series here. So this is the first video of the backend development course and I will be covering the basic Java, Java 8, Spring modules, Spring Boot, and for database we will be covering MySQLDB. So in short, everything we required for the backend web development we will cover in this series. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So to run any Java program, what we require? So basically we have the two needs here. We have to download and install the JDK and we require one ID here. So let's start with the download of JDK. So JDK 8 for Windows 64-bit system. Go on this website and I will just click on this. So you will see this page. If you scroll down, you can see for different OS we are having the JDK kit here. So I required for the Windows 64-bit. I'll just click on here. Okay, so here it will show some pop-up. Just click on here and download. Now one more thing, if you don't have Oracle account, you have to create one Oracle account. That will be free, no issue, and you just log in here. Okay, and then you will download. If you are download without login, it will pop up another page with login and you have to log in here. So I already downloaded it, so I'll just pause it here. So this JDK you have to install now. Now if you'll just go to this JDK. So I have just created one folder and pasted under the software JDK. So this is the file you will get after download. Okay, just need to double click and install it. There is no big deal in installation. You can easily install it. So after installation, if you are not changing any path, you will get this in the C drive. So in C drive, if you go to the program files, Java folder, here you can see your installation for JDK and JRE. Okay. After done with the installation, now we need some IDE. Now let's check for the Java IDE. So these are the different options we are having. Okay, Eclipse, IntelliJ, NetBeans. These are the very famous apps for the Java development. Now we'll not go for any one of this. We will go for the Spring Tool Suite. Now what is Spring Tool Suite? I'll tell you. So this Spring Tool Suite we can use for the web development. So instead of downloading the separate IDE, what I will going to do, I'll just install the STS, download the STS, so that no need to again download some other IDE. Okay, this will be okay to develop some Java program as well as the web development project. Okay, now you can go to the spring.io.tools /tools and you can just click on here as per your operating system. So once you click here, this installation will start. I'll just pause it because already downloaded. Okay, so actually no need to install the STS, we just have to extract the files from here, right? So inside this Spring test folder I have this file. So this is the archive file we will download. Okay, now just right click and extract here. So this will start the extraction. Okay, now once your extraction is done, you can see this folder contents. So inside this you will have your Spring Boot app or Spring Tool Suite. So once the extraction is done, again right click, extract here. So this will take some time for the extraction, and here you can see your STS folder, right? So you can see the version also. Okay, so inside this folder you will get your Spring Tool Suite app. Just wait for some time till it completes. So one more thing we have to do, we have to set up the environment variables also. Now how you will going to set up the environment variables? Let it done till the time I will explain that also. So what we have done till the time is we have just a second. So we have downloaded and installed the JDK. Then we have ID as STS. Okay, and third point I'm making here is setting up the environment variables. Okay, fine. Now let's check for this. I think extraction is done here. So you can go to this folder and you can see everything is here. So inside this you can see the Spring Tool Suite app. Okay, Now you can create the desktop shortcut for this thing and you can access this app. So second step is also done. Now let's set up the environment variable. Now we know that where we installed JDK, right? So inside C drive, we are having the program files and inside the Java, and this is the JDK. So we have to set up the JDK path. You can copy path from here, you can go to here and search for the environment variables for your account. You can open it. Here you can see the Java home. You have to set up this. So you can go to new, already set up it here. You can do like this Java home and you can paste the path here. Okay. So if you click on OK, we'll get this Java home here. Okay. We also need Maven home, but now in STS it is inbuilt, so no need to do that. If you want, you can just download the Maven and just place that in some folder and provide the path here. Same as the Java home, you have to provide it. There is no installation also required for the Maven, right? So again, one more thing you have to do, you have to provide the path. So on the path here, you can see the C program files, Java, JDK, till bin I have given the path. Same you have to do it. You can click on new. You can do this and you can save it. Okay, I already added, so I'm not adding it again. So this is done now. Now we are ready to use our STS. So I'll just open the Spring Tool Suite now. Okay, now it will ask to create a workspace. So I'll browse it. I'll go to some folder. Suppose documents I'm going. Here I'm creating one folder as I can see STS project already there. Anything? Yeah, we already having some folders there. Let's take this one also. So Spring folder I have done. Okay, so this is the folder I'm using for development as a workspace. So I'm creating my first project. Okay, and I'm selecting this folder. So this is the workspace path you have provided. Now launch it. So this will take some time. You can see your project is created or not in the same folder. You can go to documents, Spring, first project. You can see .metadata is created here. Okay, now here your Spring Boot application is up. Now what we have to do, we have to create a new project, right? So inside that project we can do any number of Java application we can create it. Okay, so we'll just create one test project. So you can create here the Spring Starter project or Java project also. So Java Starter project I'm going to create here. This will be a web application also, and we can also create. Now let's try for first Java project. Let's do it like this only. Sorry. Okay, one more thing I forget to tell you. In Windows, you have to check your Java and Maven installation. Okay, so you can check for JRE, install JRE. So inside this, you have to provide the path for that JRE. Okay, uh, so this is one thing, and Maven also you have to do Maven installation. So this is embedded one. Okay, so this is one thing you have to do, and JDK, sorry, JRE. Instead of JRE, you have to provide the JDK actually. Okay, not JRE. So I can add it here. So I'll just standard VM next, and I'll go to C drive where we have installed this PC C drive program files Java and select the JDK folder here. Select the folder. So this is we required here. We click on finish, JDK, apply and close. Okay. So this is what we required to set up here. Now let's create a first project, new Java project. So inside Java project name, I'll give the first Java program. Okay. So this will create your first Java program, right? So we are having src folder here. Inside the src folder, I can create the, okay, it is building now. Okay, it will take some time to build, right? So here in src, I can create a package. Okay, and package name I will give as the test package. Now you can see here discouraged package name. By conversion, package name usually start with the lowercase letter. So just follow the convention, test package, finish. And inside this package, I'll create my first Java program. So this is, I have to create a class, first Java program. Okay. So here you can write a code now. Okay. Now it will take some time to build. I think you can go for other application also. There is no issue in that. If you are aware about that, you can go for that also. No issues. If you require, just give me a comment, and I'll also like create a video for the installation of other IDEs we're having. So from where the, what are the important things here? Just check it out. First is your package. Okay, so this is the package inside what I'm having my program. So first thing, your package. Okay, second thing is your class. So this is the class name, first Java program. It's the same name you have created here, right? Inside that you have to write your program. So first thing I have to write is public void, public static void main, to provide the arguments here. And now I can write out system dot out dot println. So I'll pass a message. This is my first program, first Java program. Save it. I'll run it. So just right click here and run as Java application. So you can see in console, this is my first Java program. So here we go. We have done with our first Java program. We have successfully print out this message. So in this way, you can write the program in Java by using Spring Tool suite. Okay, that's it for today. For next video, I'll coming up with all the details whatever we have written here in this Java program, why we are using static, void, main method, and everything I'll explain in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys.